Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how to install and set up MongoDB on our Windows 10. So that's been said, let's get started. Let me tell you something about MongoDB. MongoDB is a cross-platform document-oriented database program and it is classified as non-SQL database program. So now let me show you how you can install and set up MongoDB on your Windows 10. For that, open any browser and search for MongoDB and open the link from mongodb.com. Don't worry about the link will be on the description box. So this is the official website of MongoDB. I had already told you that MongoDB is a database program. Now to download MongoDB for Windows, just click on try free and this will redirect you to the download page. Here just click on server option. So this is our MongoDB download center. We have to select MongoDB community server. Here we have to select our version, operating system and package. So if you want to download in zip file, you can also download in zip file. For now, I'm going to download MSI file. Then click on this download button to download MongoDB on your Windows 10. Here you can see it is downloading and it is around 200 MB. So let me complete the download and after that I will show you how you can install and set up MongoDB on your Windows 10. So the download has been completed. Now let us open this file. To open your file, just click on this arrow icon, then click on open. And here we have our MongoDB setup window. Let me minimize the browser and let me click on next. And here we have the license agreement. So if you want to read this license agreement, you can read this license agreement. And after that, just check this box and click on next. And here we have two setup type. One is complete and another one is custom. Let us go with the complete one and just keep this thing default. And here we have our server name and it will create two directory. One is for data directory and another one is for log directory. So these are the path of data and log directory. After that, just click on next. And here we have the option to install MongoDB Compass. Just select install MongoDB Compass, then click on next. And after that, it is ready to install MongoDB. Let us click on install button to install MongoDB. As you can see here, it is installing. So wait till the installation process complete. So the installation process is completed. Let me click on finish. And here we have our MongoDB Compass community. Let me accept the license agreement. Just click on accept. And here we have welcome screen of MongoDB Compass community. So let me click on next. Let me click on next. Let me click on next. Again next. And here let me click on next. And here let me click on next. And finally here we get start button. Just click on get start. Then click on start using Compass. So this is our MongoDB Compass community. Let me close this and let me show you how you can configure MongoDB. To configure MongoDB, open the C drive. Then go to programs file. Inside this programs file, you will get a folder called MongoDB. Open this folder and inside this folder, you will get a folder server name or you will get a version number. Just open that folder and here we have the version number and inside this folder, we will get a bin folder. Just open this bin folder. So here we have all the executable files. So this is our MongoDB database server application and this is our Mongo shell. So we have to configure this one. For that, copy this path. Then search for control panel and open this control panel and go to system and security and here click on system. And on the left hand side here you will find advanced system setting option. Just open this advanced system setting option and here just click on environment variable and on the system variable look for path variable and click on edit and here click on new and paste the path you had copied. Now let me click on OK, then click on OK, then click on OK. So we had set path variable for MongoDB. Now let us open CMD. So let me search for CMD. Let me open this command prompt and here we have to change the directory to MongoDB. Let me write cd and paste the path you had copied, then hit enter. Now on the command prompt write MongoD. I had already told you that MongoD is a database server So let us run our MongoD command. So let me write MongoD and let me hit on enter. Let me minimize this window and let me maximize this command prompt. So here we have an error. We have to create one data directory on the C drive, data and DB. Let me go to C drive. Under this C drive, we have to create data folder. Let me create one folder. And inside this data folder, we have to create another folder called DB. So we had created data folder. Let me close this window and again let me run the command MongoD. Let me hit on enter. So when you run this command, you will not get any kind of error. So we had successfully created our MongoDB data server. Now again open command prompt. So let me keep it here and this is our new command prompt. Here write cd and go to the directory of MongoDB, then hit enter. And here we have to run our Mongo shell. For that just write Mongo and hit on enter. So you can see Mongo executable file has been connected to our MongoD database server. So whenever you want to run Mongo command, first of all you have to open your Mongo database server. So this way you can install and set up MongoDB on your Windows 10. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.